So it is Friday, November 3rd, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare happy juice. I feel wide awake, I have just the right amount of energy, I feel full of motivation, and I feel full of determination. So overall, I feel pretty good drinking it. My skin is still glowing from drinking it. A combination of drinking that and Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant is just making my skin glow. I do still have anhedonia, which sucks, but it is what it is, and it's on its way out the door. That I do know. I know it's going to go away eventually. I just have to be patient and get through the meantime, and it will go away. And I have some pretty exciting news. I just got my first deck of oracle cards. So now when I do my readings, people will be able to choose if they want an angel card reading or an oracle card reading or a combination of both. So here's what the guidebook looks like. It's by Cayla Baron Reed. Says guidebook on it, and it says the Spirit Animal Oracle. Now these cards are just beautiful. This is what card number 1 looks like. It says card number 1, it's got a couple ants on it, it's got puzzle pieces, it says ant spirit, and it says time to collaborate. I just love the imagery on the cards. And then this is what the back of the card looks like. Again, it's just beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys what the box looks like. So it has the picture of the front of the guidebook. On the side, it says the Spirit Animal Oracle, Cayla Baron Reed. And then on the other side, it says the same thing. And then it has writing on the back as well. It says the Spirit Animal Oracle, and I'm going to read what it says. Unfortunately, I can't really have it facing the camera and read it at the same time, but I'm going to read to you what it says. It says, the Spirit Animal Oracle, the spirits residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you through the Spirit Animal Oracle. They urge us to reclaim our essential truth that we are one in spirit, connected to every living thing on this earth in a unified consciousness. With the draw of a card, you can share in this wisdom and better navigate your life, move beyond the obstacles of your perceived limitations, and tune into your infinite potential. Represented in the 68 cards of this beautifully illustrated oracle card deck are the high spirits of different animals, insects, fish, and birds. Every animal has a transcendent archetypal symbolism, a universal meaning holding a message of deep, enduring truth. With guidance from intuitive master and oracle expert Cayla Baron Reed, you can now awaken to your partnership with Spirit to co-create your reality in service to the world. And it's also really neat how this box opens. It's got a magnet on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And then when you open it, it says something on the inside. It says, the spirits residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you. And then the sides of the box says something as well. When you open it, it says the abundant universe will provide. And then it says that on the other side as well, right there. So everything about this particular oracle card deck I just find absolutely beautiful. The cards have beautiful imagery, the box itself is beautiful, and the sayings on it are beautiful as well. The other thing I like about it is in the description for the cards, it has a couple pages for each card, so it's got a pretty long description to it. So I'm so excited because I've never done an oracle card reading before in my life, and I can't wait to do an oracle card reading on someone, and I can't wait to finally be able to do a reading that is a combination of both angel cards and oracle cards. I think it'll make it so much more interesting. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.